Luigi, look out! Look out for what? Oh no, we're going to crash into a car! We're going to crash! Watch out, you nearly made me crash my beautiful car! That was close. Uh-oh. Dispatch, I'm at the scene, but I can see another flipped car. And it nearly collided with another car. The flipped car is a blue Renault Clio. Can we send a tow truck over? I'll ask the driver of the silver Vauxhall Insignia if he's okay.
A few moments later.
Time to get this car to the garage so it can be fixed. Mario and Luigi, what were you thinking when you were driving? Well, officer, we were playing rock and paper scissors in the car, and Luigi kept dominating me. I recommend you do not play rock paper scissors while you're driving. We're so sorry, officer. We promise it won't happen again. It better not happen again, because if it does, you two will be put behind bars. Dispatch, the ambulance and fire brigade are on their way. This is the Southeast Coast Ambulance. I'm here. This is ambulance number 65. I'm here as well. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, not the car. Dispatch! We have a car on fire! The fire engine is on the way. I'll be there soon. Dispatch, I'm going to spray water onto the car with the hose. There we go. Fire's out. Phew. Good job, everyone. I'm going home.